1 by 7 square minus 3 square, 1 by 13 square minus 3 square, 19 square minus 3 square, 49 square minus 3 square. Method 2. Method 2. Now, if you look at method 2, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. 7 square, 7 minus 3, 4. 7 plus 3, 10. 13 minus 3, 10. 13 plus 3, 16. 19 minus 3, 16. 19 plus 3, 22. 49 minus 3, 46. 49 plus 3, 52. So, these are nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 52. 1 by common difference is 6. Denominator 1. 1 by 6 into 52 minus 4. 48 divided by 4 into 52. Answer is 2 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 26. 1 by 26. This 1 by 26 is the answer. If you observe the last one, last term denominator is 52. Answer should be either 52 or the factor of 52. All the options are 52 or the factor of 52. So the denominator condensing approach might not work here. Now if you see, how are the answer options? If I make everything into 52, these 2 by 52, these 3 by 52, these 4 by 52, this is 6 by 52. Answer options are also closer to each other, so it is better to use method 2. There will be some values where the denominator will have the same answer option, which is either the value or the factors of the value. I hope you have understood the significance of method 2 and when not to use the denominator condensing approach. Now, next one, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. And so on up to 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 4 into 7 and so on up to 20 terms. Now, there are doublets. I will write the question like this: 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 3 into 4, 1 by 7 into 10. Like that. If I take a doublet, total 20 terms are there. That means if I take 2 terms as a group, total there are 10 groups are there. So 10th term, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So 19th term will be 1 by 10 into 11. I hope it is clear. 10 into 11. Now this will be, first numerical values will be 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. So, a plus n minus 1 into d. So, this is Tn. So, Tn is nothing but 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2. So, if I require 10th term, 30 minus 2, 28. And so on up to 1 by 28 into 31. 1 by 28 into 31. Now, we have to be right, what is the last numerical value? Last numerical value is 31. Answer should be 31. Now this is one series and this is another series. So in this series, what is the last numerical value? 11. In this answer, it should be 31. Denominator should be divisible by 11 and 31. 11 and 31, 11 and 31, 341, 11, 31 sir. 310, it is not divisible by 11. 140, it is not divisible by 11. 308, divisible by only 11 but not by 31. Or if you want to do by the method 2, it is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 11 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1. 1 minus 1 by 31. You can do it. These is nothing but 10 by 11 and these is nothing but 10 by 31. You can do LCM, feel happy in calculating it and find the answer. So what is the answer for this question? Which is nothing but 420 by 341. I hope it is clear, right? Idea clear? Idea clear, right? Suppose 10 if I take common, 11 into 31. So 31 plus 11, 442 into 10. You don't need to solve this. This is what I am trying to say to save your time. Last one numerical value is 11, last one numerical value is 31. 11 and 31 answer should be divisible. Next one. Next question. See here. 1 by 1 into 4 into 7, 1 by 4 into 7 into 10 and so on. What is the concept that we discussed? N numerical values should be condensed to n minus 1 numerical values. N numerical values will be condensed to n minus 1 numerical values. 3 numerical values are there. Write the first 2 numerical value and write the last 2 numerical value. 1 by, what is the common difference between consecutive terms? 3. 3 numerical values will become 2. So 1 by 3 into 2. Here you can take LCM. 1, 4, 16, 19. LCM is 16 into 19. This is nothing but 4 into 19 minus 1. You will do this calculation. I am saying don't do this calculation. This is where your smartness should come into picture. 3 numerical values. What are the last 2 numerical values? 16 and 19. Answer denominator should be a multiple of 19 or a factor of 16 into 19 or the original number. Denominator should be divisible by 19. Denominator should be divisible by 19. 19. 1s are 19, 114, 304. These is divisible and this is also divisible. So all the options are divisible. So this is one method. Another method, what you can do is 25 by 608, this is nothing but 50 by 608. This is nothing but 46 by 608. That means if I approximate it, 2 options will go away because 2 options are closer to each other. Approximation. 1 by 1 into 4 into 7 is 1 by 28, greater than 3%. 1 by 280. 1 by 280 is just less than 1%. So answer has to be just greater than 3%. Answer has to be just greater than 3%. Now if you see 25 by 50 by, this is nothing but 1 by 608 is 1% of 608 is 6. 6 8s are 48. It is greater than 8%. This is also greater than 7%. These are nothing but 4.6 4s are 24. Around 3 to 4 the value is getting oscillated. It is greater than 4. So 2 options you are able to eliminate because of this option saving approach. So these are nothing but 1 by 6 into 75 by 16 into 19. 3 25s are 3 2s are 25 by 608. 25 by 608. I hope it is clear, right? I hope. So greater than 3%. 23 by 608 is just less than 4%. The smaller values will come together and it is becoming just greater than 4%. I hope you are able to eliminate. Again I am repeating the key point. Method 2 is the best method. Most of the students know it. You can eliminate the answer options by looking at the last numerical value. Last numerical value in the denominator. In the denominator, either it should be a factor of that number or it should be the original number. If the answer options are very far away from each other, use approximation approach. Next question. I hope this idea is clear. Now next question. 1 by 1 into 6 into 11, 11 into 16, 6 into 11 into 16 into 21 and so on up to. So answer is nothing but 4 numerical values are there. Write down the first 3 numerical values and write down the last 3 numerical values. Last 3 numerical values. 1 by, difference is 5. 4 numerical values will become 3. Most of the students will find it a little complex in doing this calculation. What? Right? So what we'll do is, now this is nothing but a multiple of this number. This is nothing but a multiple of this number. Otherwise I would have used the divisibility rule of this number. 26 into 31. Now see here. 26 is nothing but 2 into 13 into 31. So 13. What is 13? Any 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number written any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 13. So, divisible by 13, 13, 13, all are coming. So, there is no option which can be eliminated even if I know the divisibility rule of 13. I will also discuss in my prime numbers class what is the divisibility rule of 31, 41, 71 and so on. So, the best way to solve it is you use the LCM of 1 into 6 into 11 and 21 into 26 into 31 concept. I hope it is clear. All the varieties of problems, when to use which concept, when the method will not work, when this method will work, when the problem will become calculative, when the problem will become calculative to the easiest most. All the varieties of questions I kept it in this class. Now, next one, see here. 1 by 4 into 11 into 18. So, direct answer is 3 numerical values are there. Write down the first 2 and write down the last 2. 1 by difference is 7. 3 numerical values will become 2. This is one way to solve. 1 by 7 into 2. 1 by 4 into 11 minus 1 by 74 into 81. Now, here one important concept which I want to discuss. Now, what we will do is, one anyway the calculation method you know it, calculation method you know it, 74 into 81, 81 is nothing but 9 square, answer denominator should be divisible by 9, let me first check it, answer denominator should be divisible by 9, denominator should be divisible by 9 means, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Should be divisible by 9. If it does not work, I will go to 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, 6 plus 3, 9. Oh, 7 plus 2, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 7, 9. All the denominators are divisible by 9. Next one, 74. 74 is nothing but 2 into 37. Reminder 1. 10 cube by 37 is 1. 10 cube by 37 is 1. 10 cube is 1000. 37 into 27 is 999. So, reminder 1. So, 10 cube divided by 37 is 1. Now, what I will do is, listen carefully, sir. So, what is the answer which I got? 4 into 11 minus 1 by 74 into 81. 1 by 7 into 3 numerical values will become 10. 74 is nothing but 2 into 30. 10 cube divided by 37 is 1. Let me take this value 263736 divided by 37. This is nothing but a remainder of 263 into 10 cube plus 736 divided by 37. 263 plus 736. 263 plus 736, 999, 999. So, 999 is nothing but 37 27s are. That means, for 81 it is 9 square, answer should be divisible by 9. If it is not working because there are 3 numerical values in the denominator, you can go for the next one, 74. These is divisible. Obviously, these is nothing but a next multiple of 263, 736. That means, if you are struck with this, you can go ahead and check with this. Here I wantonly gave the options where all options are same. Suppose one option is 263736. Second option is 263737. You can use this concept. I hope the concept is clear. Take a group of 3 digits and add it. Take a group of 3 digits and add it. 10th one. I hope the idea is clear. 11th one. Now see here. 1 by 5 into 10 into 15. Second one, 1 by 10 into 15 into 20. 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by 30. 150 into 155 into 160. I hope it is clear. 1 by 150 into 155 into 160. Traditional method answer is 3 numerical values are there. Write the first numerical value and write the last numerical value. 1 by 5 into 3 numerical values will become 2. I hope the idea is clear. First, write 1 by 5 into 2, 1 by 5 into 10 and everything. Now, if you observe, all the denominator values are same. So, it is best to do LCM approach. 5 10 LCM is 10, 10 160 LCM is 160. So, it is 155 into 160. I hope it is clear. So, take the value and subtract it. I got the idea. All the denominator values are same. So, method 2 is the best method here. Method 2 is the best method here. Are you all with me? Next, 4 numerical values are there. If 4 numerical values are there, write the first 3 numerical values and write the last 3 numerical values. Minus 1 by 4 numerical values are becoming 3. Common difference is 1. 1 by 3 into 1. Now, if you observe, 4 numerical values are there. Last 3 numerical values, 18. 18 is 2 into 9. Denominator sum of the digits should be 9. 7 plus 3, 4, 4, 14, 10, 18, 14, 20. If you observe here, 5, 11, 19, 27. These also same. Right? Now, 7, 3, 4, 4, 10, 18. Oh, these is nothing but the double of 7, 3, 4, 4. I hope it is clear. Now, what you can do is 17. I will discuss in my prime number class how to use the divisibility rule of 17. Divisibility rule of 17 using the theory of osculation. Theory of osculation helps you to know the divisibility rule of 17. You can apply the divisibility rule, but here I am not discussing, because both, if this is a multiple of 17, obviously this will be. I hope the idea is clear. Method 2 is always there for you. Method 2 is always there for you. Method 2. Method 2. Let us do the 13th and 14th problem. 1 by 1 into 3 into 5. 1 by 1 into 4. 1 by 3 into 5 into 7. 1 by 4 into 7. And so on up to 10 terms. So, if I take 1, 3, 5 and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into 2, these are nothing but Tn is 2n minus 1. So, 10th term will be 20 minus 1, 19. 1 by 19 into 21 into 23 plus 1 by 1, 4, 7 and so on. A plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is nothing but 3n minus 2. So, 10th term will be 30 minus 2, 28. 28 into 31. 28 into 31. So, answer should be, now if you observe carefully, 3 numerical values are condensed to 2 numerical values. Answer denominator should be divisible by 23 and 31. I hope you got the idea. Divisible by 23 and 31. You can easily check it out. Again, I will explain in the theory of osculation what is the divisibility rule of 23 and 31. Idea clear, right? Write 3 numerical values. 2 important key points. N numerical values in denominator are condensed to n minus 1 numerical values. Multiplication factor is 1 by common difference between successive terms into number of terms condensed. Next one. 1 by 2, which is 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 6 is 2 into 3 plus 7 plus 1 by 12 is 3 into 4. So, every second term is 1 into 2. Fourth term is 10 into 3. Sixth term is 3 into 4. Second term denominator is starting with 1, 2 by 2, 1. Fourth term denominator first value is 2, 4 by 2. Sixth term denominator is 3, 6 by 2. Tenth term denominator is 1 by 10 into 11 plus 1 by, here it is 1, 4, 7 and so on. A plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is nothing but 3n minus 2. So, Tn is 30 minus 2, 28. 28. That means there are 2 series, 1, 4, 7 and so on up to 28 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 and so on up to 1 by 10 into 11. Whatever the answer that you get it from this value, that itself is the answer. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear, right?